For those who want to remove the taillights on Volkswagen Touran, here's what you need to do. Tools required: a trim removal tool and a flat blade screwdriver. 1. Open the trunk and remove the plastic cover above the taillight. Pull the plastic from the top left. Two. Remove the single screw that secures the taillight using a flat blade screwdriver. Three. Slide the taillight to the left to remove it. First, remove the red plastic on the outside using a flat blade screwdriver and then press the clip to disconnect the plug. Do the same with the right taillight, only it must be pushed to the right to remove it. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.